So guys, it's morning 3 o'clock. It's so cold and it's raining also. As you can see, small bits. Before it was a little bit high, heavily raining. Now it has just calmed down. So we are gonna go to railway station now, like suburban of Mumbai. Let's go there. Take a ticket to Sandhurst railway station. Like from there we can go to Char Bazaar, Chor Bazaar, from there, and just exploit, or if something happens to pop into the mind to buy by seeing, let's have a look at the price, and if needed, let's buy it. Let's see how it's going, and try not to get robbed ourselves. Let's go. Yes. Here we are in front of the railway station. Yeah. So let's go in, take ticket. I guess it will come at sometime soon. We have to take ticket over there. There is no one at ticket counter, so let's try the machines. How to use this machine now? It's in Hindi. Let me make it in English. Use a map. We're going to go to Sandhurst Road. So Sandhurst, and we just have to pay. And this one. So after paying, so guys, we are almost there. It's been a journey of 1 hour from where I was towards Sandhurst station. Let's go. Guys, we have reached Sandhurst station. We can get a taxi from over there if we exit by this way. So let's go. This is like everyone is there. Now we are gonna head towards Chor Bazaar. So let's go. Guys, we have come to Chor Bazaar at the morning. It's only on Fridays, so schedule that and come. You should come early for getting the good stuffs. So let's go. It's totally crowded. From this time only, it's almost 4:30. We can say no, about, let me see, 5:15. So let's go. You can see many clothes shops. Over there you can see some shoes, chappals, and all sort of things. I saw some smartwatches on sides. It's just beginning. I didn't go deep into the places. So let's go. Watches also of the third, second copy, third copy of Rolex and those sorts of things. Just for 500 rupees, they said. They're nice looking pants, t-shirts, everything. So let's go. You can see electronics, laptops over there. He's holding a laptop. Things like that you can see. There's a keyboard, stuff like that. Clothes. Shop of musical instruments. Let's go ahead and ask them about things inside Chor Bazaar. This shop is open all day. At 10 o'clock it will open, but on Fridays it will open early, and it has all kind of things, stereos, and that one, remote control, cars, binoculars, everything they have, guitar, keyboard. And are you the owner?
Yeah.
He's the owner. So like what do you want to आपका क्या करना चाहिए, like
मेरा भी चैनल है इंस्टाग्राम पे म्यूजिक वर्ल्ड करके.
okay.
और ये अपनी शॉप एवरीडे ओपन रहती है. ये फ्राइडे को थोड़ा जल्दी खुलता है और एवरीडे 11 to 9.
Okay.
और फ्राइडे को वही 2 3.
Okay.
और एवरीडे ओपन अपनी शॉप है मुंबई तोटा की शॉप.
Okay. Electronics, things kind of that. Cameras. Mostly they have is clothes, So let's go. Sell everything for 50 rupees over this one. Like that. Everything is variety over here. Wants to. Everything is in middle of clothes shops actually. You can see caps. Automobile equipments. Some hardwares like that. No need. Let's go. This is stereo shop. Sound shop. Watches of different kinds and videos like that. Let's go. See so many antiques. Even you can find one piece over here. This is on the way to Dombivli from Thane. You can get this view. It's slightly bit raining. Which is your phone?
Oppo M4.
Good.
Not. My friend gave me.
Huh?
My friend gave me.
Okay, okay.
After, my old phone damaged.
Okay.
Using.
Yeah. Have you come by road this way?
No.
This is like Ratnagiri area.
हाँ
This is what?
कोकण
Konkan.
एरिया.
Okay.
फ्रॉम मानगांव ना
Yeah.
कोकण स्टार्टेड.
Okay. Kokam or Kongan.
कोकण हाँ.
Kongan. Yeah. Crocodile. Yeah. That one. Yeah.
If you are doing blogging, just buy some good phone.
No money.
That's the issue.
Yeah.